This is Premiere Pro 2020 and the video itself is smaller than the entire sequence, so thus we have these black edges. So let's take a look how to fix this problem. First of all, click on the clip like so, and here at Effect Controls, at Motion, you can open and close these. At Motion we have Scale, and the scale is on 100, so it's not smaller and it's not larger. Let's reset it back. Okay, so in this case the video itself is at its original size, so we should reduce the exterior size, that is the sequence. So first of all, let's know the size of this one. So go here to Info, and it says 2560 here at Video, 2560 by 1440. So we should introduce those numbers here to Sequence and Sequence Settings. Yes, it's grayed out. It's grayed out because this portion is selected. So click on the clip here on the timeline. Now this one is selected. Now Sequence and Sequence Settings, it's available. Okay, and here to frame size, instead of this 4K resolution, type in that one which is smaller, so 2560 and 1440, it's in this case 1440, and close it with OK and OK again. And voila, the black edges were eliminated, the larger sequence was pushed in, and now the video itself is at scale 100, so it's not enlarged, it's not small, reduced in size.